Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop a Wallpaper Engine from running in the background. The first thing I want you to do is open up the Wallpaper Engine app, and then I want you to come here to the top right and click on Settings. This will open up a pop-up from where I want you to click on Performance. Under Playback, you'll see multiple different options. By default, these should be at Keep Running. What I want you to do is change each one of them from Keep Running to Pause. So in the background, these wallpapers are not going to be running. They'll actually be paused when you're doing things like playing games, or you have other applications maximized or on full screen, for example, or just even focused. And you can also change this one to pause. Make sure you click on OK to save the changes, and then you can click on OK again. But that is how to stop a Wallpaper Engine from just running in the background. For example, if I open up Snipping Tool, you will notice that it actually stops the animation. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.